Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of September, and today, as always, we're just gonna go over two different setups for the future. So, first chart is Roku, as you can see, and this is a daily chart. And basically, the idea around this analysis is we've had 3 waves down into wave A of minor degree. From there, we struggled to count 5 waves up. So that made me think that perhaps we had ABC into wave A, down for wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave C of high degree wave B. So basically, this would be a flat, and as it stands right now, this would be a running flat, because if we do have a bottom in place right here around $340, then of course it'll be a running flat and not an expanding one. What's interesting about this place right here is if we compare it to wave A, as I usually do, we see that that is 61.8% of the initial advanced wave A, which is a very common fib target and interesting level where usually we get a bounce from, and as you can see, we did. Now, if I take you to a 4-hour, let's say, give it the hourly. So if I take you to the hourly, basically what we can count is from the top up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, sideways 4, and then down for wave 5 to complete wave C. Now, if we try to count 5 waves up from here, it's let's say it's possible. What I see personally is 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's not mind the degree too much for the moment. So let's just use this one, and then within this wave 3 I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of micro degree. Or perhaps I should bring this back and let me zoom in even better. So 1 and 2, we don't have the overlap with 1 and 4, an extended third up in 5. So that would mean that this right here is an A, perhaps B, and down in C, or a double XY. At this point, it's not important. It's not what I'm trying to point out. And this is 1 and 2, blah blah blah. And now we're going higher. So as you can see, we can count 5 ways up, which is the most important thing when we are trying to predict a resumption of the trend. So 5 ways out can be counted, and the pullback appears to be in 3. So that is potentially telling us that yes, we could have the trend resumed. And I guess what we can do now, yes, we could look for longs. It is risky, but of course, the more risk, the more reward. Or we can just wait for the high degree waves to form and then eventually try to enter. So the other stock I wanted to show you guys is Zillow. So let me take you to the daily. So ticker symbol, of course, is Z. Very simple yet effective. So basically, from the top here on February 16th, we've had 3 waves down in A, triangle in B, and down in C into wave W, and then ABC into wave X, and then again ABC into wave Y of high degree wave 4. Now let's focus on wave Y and after. So this wave Y, what is interesting is if we measure wave C, of course, as always, we compare it to wave A. Wave C is right at equality, and that is, a warning sign that perhaps we have indeed completed the correction, If not, yeah, we know that equality of A and C, we almost usually get a reaction. And as you can see, we did. Now, what is very interesting is, and to do this, I'll take you to the hourly. Here, we can count 5 ways up. I can see 1, 2, 3, sideways 4, up and 5. And then A, B, C to complete wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, this could be 4, up and 5. So once again, here we can count 5 ways to the upside. And when we can count 5 ways to the upside, it means that possibly we have resumed the trend. Now, just like for Roku, it is not easy to say, because think about this. We've been moving downwards since February, so it's 7 months of correction possibly, because the move downs are in 3. So to get the precise part where we could be resuming from, it's not that easy. Of course we can try, and to do our best is to see that if the move to the upside are in 5, and these appear to be. So let's see what happened. If something changes, I'll keep you posted, and feel free to let me know in the comments if you have any remarks to make on this count. I'm always happy to see what you think, and thanks for watching.